Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. Hope you all doing well out there. And remember, we have Monday as a holiday. It's going to be New Year's Day. So I hope everybody takes some time off away from the market, a nice 3-day weekend. And you got to think about some tax implications. So I'll get that into a second. But remember, since we are having a new year, we have a new code, a new promotion going on. It's new 24, so new year, new market. Save up to 30% off most everything in our store. So get some while you can if you guys are interested. The Moxie Indicator, and we are going to be having a great year. I think 2024 is going to be awesome since the small caps are coming back alive. Those are the ones I love trading. And we've been seeing some huge moves with Bitcoin and biotech and what else is going on there? Some of the EV places. We've just been seeing a lot of names going off, and we're having a great time. So I think 2024 is going to be awesome. Anyway, so let's get into it a little bit. If we look at the higher time frames of where this market is, remember that the S&P is right up here at its previous all-time high. So I think that there's just going to be some natural resistance up there. And I think we have done an absolutely amazing, incredible job running 2 months straight up to the previous high. But as I said, I think it's going to be running into some just natural resistance. And I think it's going to be, I think we're due for a pullback. But here's the thing to think about. And I was talking about this on the mic the other day. There are a lot of names moving right now. And for the most part, some of the bigger names have been up all year. And the market's been up. And so there are large institutions and traders that have a lot of capital gains. And they probably want to defer that to 2024. So I think that the market is just going to stay up like this. I think we're kind of in the Santa Claus rally mode. The market has been bullish for 2 years. The bears have been scared away. And, for as much as people might be selling, I have a feeling that really this thing's not going to actually drop or pull back until 2024. I don't know if it's going to happen Tuesday morning, but I think that is something to keep in mind, that people are going to probably want to defer their the capital gains taxes, any of that stuff to 2024. So do what you will with that. In the meantime, we've been having a great time with some of the Bitcoin stocks. And another thing to think about it, Bitcoin has kind of been pausing out here. We finally saw a pullback on some of the other Bitcoin miners. And you think about it, where is Bitcoin now? It is right in the middle of this previous price congestion area. You could even say it's right there. So I do think it's going to keep going higher eventually, but I think this is a good pausing area. Plus, we've got a couple more days until the new year, so just kind of watch out for that. But we have been seeing some great stuff. Like we took some profits on Hive. Great trades, but look at this thing. These things are just beginning. So really, really very excited to be seeing these things. We got, roughly 45% off Hive. Some of the others have gone 60%. I think Mara went 100%, something like that. And look at the volume that's coming into this. So we're seeing across the board, a lot of names are participating like this, more than just the crypto names. I love this kind of market. It is what we've been waiting for a while. I mean, you can see, just look at the disaster that we've been having as far as the market goes. I mean, there you go. There's even Hive just totally got smashed, and then it's gone sideways for a year. And finally, look at the volume that's starting to come back. So based on what I'm seeing, this market is really starting to come alive, and I'm very, very excited for 2024. All right, guys? So, I would say come check it out. And remember, if you guys want to come into the Moxie room, either get the annual subscription for 30% off or the Moxie Indicator for 30% off. I do have a class I'm working on right now, and we've got some special webinars coming up. So now is a good time to get it. All right, guys? Thanks again, and I will see you next year. Take care.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.